Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Seagull Who Loved the Mountains. A seagull lived by the wide, endless sea. She loved the waves, but her heart dreamed of mountains. Mountains are not for us, her friends said. Still, she looked at the horizon every day. One morning, she spread her wings and flew far. She soared over forests, rivers, and clouds. At last, she reached snowy peaks. The cold air filled her feathers with joy. She glided high, whispering, "My dream is real." After many days, she returned to the sea. The other seagulls gathered around her. She told them stories of mountains that touched the sky. Her friends listened in wonder, their eyes shining. Some even dreamed of flying beyond the waves too. After that day, she reminded her friends, even if we seem different, we must try follow our dreams. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow.